Alright, hey y'all. Like I said, I'm taking these, had to take the heads off to work on the valves and everything, and I just wanted to show how dirty everything is right now at the moment before I start taking everything down, and we're gonna give them a quick cleaning. So I want to get a bit of a before and after shot, and this is this is just all part of doing things, try to get things cleaned up. But yeah, and as you can see, my leg gave out right then. I'm sorry, my knee's still bothering me, but yeah, it gave out on me. Thank God I had a brake stool to fall back on. But as you can see, they need some work. They need a little bit of cleaning up to begin with. And yeah, by the way, these are 308 castings. So as far as LA type heads go, they're one of the best. So that's a nice thing. But anyway, yeah, this is what we're looking at to begin with, and well, we'll see what kind of job I can do by hand. I don't have any fancy dancy schmancy parts cleaner fluid or anything else, so we'll just see what I can improvise and see how everything turns out. Alright guys, like I said, here's what the inside of the heads look like now. Well, this is the one. So yeah, it cleaned up pretty good, everything lapped in pretty good. So big difference. Alrighty, that's one. I gotta do the other one now. I'll bring you back later. Alright, y'all, here's the first head. Yeah, I just kind of hit it with a little bit of paint right now just to help protect it so we don't get no flash, rusting and everything else. But this is kind of the paint scheme I'm thinking of, and doing the engine block as well, black. I don't know, maybe I'll add a red racing stripe to the valve cover. I don't know. But anyway, I'll after this thing dries out and I can actually touch it, I'll give you a little bit better look of what we're dealing with now that this head's just about done. And I just got one more head to do, and then the entire rest of the engine. So yeah, we're making progress. I'm just fooling around with these valve covers because I'm not going to be using these ones anyway, but we'll see. Alrighty, I'll bring you back when I do something else.